Yeah, hey y'all. About to go check out my soursop tree, man. I've been eyeballing these soursops since I got here a couple weeks ago. I haven't had soursops in a very long time. And it's so dry too. It needs some rain. We need some rain. My beautiful golden trumpet flowers. Need some rain. Neighbor's house over there. Let me check out the star of the show, which is my soursop tree. I've been eyeballing these soursops for a few days. Got some up in the tree here. Got some small ones. Don't know if y'all could see it. Got some small ones coming up. Got some up here. Y'all can see that? Yeah, man. And the tree itself smells so good too. The leaves are, wow, the leaves smell really, really good. The whole tree smells wonderful. So, yeah, this is my soursop tree. I've been eyeballing some of these soursops to eat some of this stuff. Do you see any other ones then? I know the tree has a lot of small ones. You see any other ones? Oh yeah. There's one right here. Yep. There's one right there. Where is it? Oh yeah. One right here. I know. I can't wait either. There's a couple of them right here. Right here. Yeah, man. And there's a big one right here. This one is huge. I think this one will be ready in a couple of weeks. Can't wait to have some of that. Yeah. But out here, you gotta grow your own fruits and veggies. And as you can see, I'm just waiting for my soursops to be ripened. I love this thing with nature. You get food directly from the source. I purchased a soursop in Houston for $22. And it was no good. It was all black inside. It was nasty for $22. And here I have a whole tree, which many people have their own trees, their own fruit trees, their own veggies growing up in their yard. And here's one again. Yep. And I just absolutely love it. I love this whole lifestyle of growing your own food and picking it directly from the source. Can't wait for us to go back to nature, y'all. I can't wait for us to go back to nature. Wonderful. See y'all later. Bye.